Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So I won this banknote in an auction a few days back. The auction starts from $1 and I won it only for $2.50. $2.50. So it's a win. I think the shipping is $2.30. So it's almost the price of the banknote itself, but yeah, anyway, it's in good condition and it's an old one too, so I'm happy. So this is a 1 peso banknote from the Philippines, and we can see here the portrait of Apolinario Mabini. He's one of the national hero of the Philippines. And we can see here the Central Bank of the Philippines and the value 1 peso with the seal of the Central Bank of the Philippines and the numbers of the banknote, the serial numbers. And you can see the governor of Central Bank. I don't know the name, it's just the signature, but this one I know. This is the signature of the President of the Philippines, one of the finest president that Philippines ever had, Ramon Magsaysay. As much as it says 1949, it wouldn't be, because Ramon Magsaysay served as the President of the Philippines from 1953 until 1957, when he passed away on a crash, when the plane crashed. So, and he's one of the finest president. He's the one who fought hard for the insurgency against the communist Hukbalahap back then. And you see the value on the four corners, 1 peso. So on the reverse side, you can see this is a Barasoin church. I think it's a church in, I don't know if it's in Malolos, Bulacan, but it is one of the old church in the Philippines from the Spanish era, I think. And we can also see the value written 1 peso and on the corners and on the sides. It's a nice part of Philippine history, as you know, most of the 1 peso are coins, but in this instance it's a banknote. So I'm happy to have one, and I see the serial numbers as well. See, these at 019065. I think it's a, what they call that, the early edition, I think, but I'm not sure really. Yeah, anyway, I'm happy to have this one, especially it's Ramon Magsaysay there in the signature. So thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.